This is Jaybird's Cribs. I'm going to take you through a nice little tour of where we stayed and all the amenities that we had. We had a grill, didn't use it. There's the pool, which we used several times. We had a lot of fun. Had a lot of fun in the pool. And the grass is just beautiful. Everything about this place is beautiful. There goes Granny inside. Here's the side of the house. Here is upstairs. That's where the fun activity room is, with a TV and a foosball table. And over here, sorry for the shaking, folks. That's my room. Was my room. The master bedroom, which was awesome. And right now I am burnt, so it's hurting me to be out here. But this is it outside. They've got a nice front yard too. Big, nice front yard. Let's go see. Look at that big, nice front yard.
You know those storage barns, I believe, on this property, like the driveway going up that way?
Might be. As you can see, we're getting ready to leave, so I'm gonna have to cut this kind of short. I hate to cut it short, but this is the outside. Mostly. Step. Wish there's hundreds of them. Alright. Here are the steps that take you up to the foosball activity room, but there's really nothing up there besides the foosball table and the TV, so keep it simple. KISS, keep it simple, stupid. So now to move on to the bar. The bar area, where we did have a few drinks. There it is. And there's the kitchen table, nice and beautiful. Step. There we go. Little pizza man. Pizza. He don't look like he knows what's up with pizza, but there's my wallet. Can't forget that. Here's the kitchen. Beautiful kitchen. Gin Air stuff everywhere. Lovely countertops. Lovely stove. Kind of like a sandwich hibachi grill. And then underneath is like a real grill. Or to the side, excuse me. Microwave. Oh, there's me, cooked. You can see the redness. Right. Alright, on to the beautiful den. Fireplace. Doohickeys on the fireplace, and antiques, like Roy would say, antiques. There's one couch. There's a awesome chair right there that I'll spend a couple hours in. There's the other couch. And this is the den. Here's the fan up here. It's Hampton Bay. Controlled by a remote. It's really cool. I like it. A lot of cool artwork and design went into this place. I'm not going to show you all the bathrooms because really don't have time. Alright, let's go to the master bedroom where I stayed. Forgive me with the steps. There's where the magic happened. Yeah, right. Nice. Got two big fans in here. Woo. Got a beautiful couch. Awesome couch. Very comfortable. Another little love seat over here. There's the patio. Out to see the beautiful view. There's a little trail. It goes out side right here. I don't know where it goes. I didn't take it because I really didn't want to be snake bit, so I figured not. Alright, the bathroom, and here's where it's showing. You got this. You got the mirror to situate yourself with a chair. Say his or hers. Girl, woman could be putting her makeup on. Man could be taking his shower. Or taking a dooski. There's the nice bathroom. Wrong. The light has been turned on. Alright. Here is the bathroom and the shower. Yeah. Enough of the bathroom. I come from Mars. Hello. Hey everybody. What's up, what's up? What's up, what's up? Alright. I'm gonna finish the bottom of the stairs. Forgive me, I had to watch my step. Here is the beautiful and luxurious living room with the big couch, big leather couch got going on, love seat, 50-inch direct TV, fireplace, subwoofer. Yeah, I had it going on. And those are where the two bedrooms are upstairs, which I will show you in just a second. But this is the downstairs and outside to Castle in the Sky. Take a step down here. Ooh. Beautiful throw rug. Nice place to set your feet. Awesome couch. Fell asleep there a couple times. Alrighty. There's the outside. Beautiful front yard. Right. That's where we turn around. There's Granny's ride from over here. All right, that's level 1. See ya.